Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to save your Instagram Reels and video without watermark. But we always need to make sure that we need to ask permission to the owner and give credit to the creator if we are going to use the video. And before we start, please like this video, subscribe, and follow for more future updates. First, open your Instagram. Click here. Click the three dots here. Copy the link. Now look for Google. Search Save Insta App. Paste the link here, then click download. Click download the video again. Here you can see the video is downloading, so we will wait until it finishes. As you can see, file is downloaded. Next is to go to your files and look for the video you download. And here is the video without watermark. Thank you guys for watching this video. Follow for more.